mobile relatively. Break down to the smallest port. By 8% damaged by 8 for every 7% of this income.
Across to the right, sir.
64A for me, sir. Stop the staircase. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Little bags right inside the lockers. They can sometimes fall out and may assist someone.
British Airways operating flight to Hong Kong this evening. Well, first of all, let me introduce us on the flight deck with me today is Senior First Officer Chris Gray. And due to the length of the flight, we also have Senior First Officer Gary Ball. Looking up here in the cabin, our team tonight is led by Susan Hamer. And Susan will be introducing herself and the rest of the crew to you in a moment.
If we could have your full attention, please, that would be appreciated. And will the cabin crew please take your positions now for the demonstration? Thank you.
Hello and welcome to the programme. I'm Juliet Dunlop, and a developing story in that efforts are underway to move 4 Eurostar trains that are stuck in the tunnel between France.
passengers not holding a Hong Kong ID card needs to complete
changing routes for us sometimes going into Hong Kong instead of on air traffic at Hong Kong Airport itself, which we're not actually talking to Hong Kong Airport just yet, we're just to some China at the moment. So when we go over to Hong Kong, they could cut the route short on us by possibly 10 minutes. So if that happens, we'll be landing at about 5 to the hour. So it'll be just 35 minutes to run. If you like to set your watches to the local time in Hong Kong, it's just coming up to 23 minutes past 1 in the afternoon, 23 past 1 in the afternoon. Weather in Hong Kong a lot nicer than London. It's 17 degrees Celsius, 63 Fahrenheit, with just a light easterly breeze blowing, and it's quite a clear day.
down and footrests and video screens return to their original position. You are seated in an emergency exit row, a front row bulkhead seat, or in the Club World cabin. All items must be placed into an overhead locker as the floor area around your seat must be completely clear. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, welcome to Hong Kong. The local time here now is just 10 past 2 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched on. When it's safe to do so, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and injure someone. Before leaving us today, also take a few moments to make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. Just to remind you that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated smoking area in the airport. If you need any assistance once you have left the aircraft, please ask any of our ground staff who will be happy to help you. Alternatively, feel free to contact one of our One World Alliance partners. From all of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It's been our great pleasure looking after all of you on this flight, and we hope to welcome you on board again very soon. Thank you and good afternoon.
加聯盟夥伴航空公司嘅地勤人員係好樂意為你提供服務，喺呢度代表英國航空公司以及華語一加聯盟夥伴航空公司，多謝你乘搭本公司嘅客機，並希望喺不久嘅將來能夠再次為你服務。多謝，再見。
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Rick Pearson, the captain from the flight deck. Welcome to another overcast day here at Hong Kong. It's 17 degrees, and it only remains for me to wish you a pleasant journey to your final destination. We're just approaching the 10th. Slightly ahead of our schedule, so I hope that helps with your travel plans. And remember, collecting your bags, this is the BA25.